Hello, welcome again to our channel. Today I'm going to show you in this video how to plant avocado from the seed and then graft later into fuete or has, whichever one you want. So as you can see, this is planted from seed at the farm, and then we'll graft them at the farm so they will not get the transplanting shock. So as you can see, they are doing really great. This is the local avocado, the ones we call in Kenya kienyeji. So we'll be watering them until they grow to a comfortable stage that we'll graft them here at the farm. We have about 4 rows all the way to that baobab tree, which are about 85 of them. There were about 100, and some dried. Like you can see, this raised heap doesn't have any, but you can see they're doing really well. They have a new flash, quite healthy. And on the other side, those are our Hass avocado all the way to the end. So I just wanted to show you these local kienyeji or planted from the seed. And this is about 3 months from the seed. So we planted them in the nursery and they're planting bags and then transferred. You can see this one has also dried, but sometimes they dry like that, and then when you keep watering, they shoot up. So the local, we call them kienyeji. Kienyeji means the local avocado, which is jumbo, or I don't know, we just call them kienyeji. We have an orange here. We have 2 orange trees that have started producing, and the oranges are very sweet, grafted with a scion called Washington. Yep. So we just pruned it so that it can, because the fruits, we've eaten the fruits. So we want it to start flowering again so that we can have more oranges. See, this one still has some big oranges. Oh, we've got some ants here. Yeah, they need also to be sprayed, which we do organically. We use organic sprays from neem to aloe vera, chili, and they do really well. So I'll show you one that's dried, but shut up again. So you can see these is also having a new shooting, or a new shoot. And we use the drip irrigation system to water. So I'm trying to look for the one that dried, and then it's shooting up again from the seed. Here it is. So when they dry up, we don't remove the seed, because we've seen them shooting up, and as you can see, that's shooting up. And as I said, these are the local planted from the seed, so that we can graft them once they grow. So you can see these as dried. You can see this one, but we are not going to remove it until it's completely dead, because it might shoot up and start flourishing. So you can see there are different stages, and we are not going to graft. If they were at the nursery, this would be ideal for grafting. The pencil, they call it the pencil size, but now we can't graft. We want them to grow big, and the root system to grow, so that they can hold on to the graft. So going forward, I'll keep updating you when we start grafting them, so that we can show you how successful they will be if grafted at the farm, instead of grafting them at the nursery and then transplanting them, and then they get the shock. So here we have a section that has got Hass avocado. This section all the way, this is a Hass avocado. All the way to the end. So these are two blocks, this block and the upper block, and where we have the maize here, we will clear that and then we plant more avocados. So see how big they have. Really doing great. You can see the stem is also thick, and we are hoping after these leaves harden up, they'll start flowering. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.